Imagine waking up to this. Breathtaking views, delicious cuisine, and a cost of living so low that your savings stretch farther than you ever thought possible. Southeast Asia isn't just a destination, it's the perfect retirement dream. Today we're revealing the secrets to retiring happily in this vibrant, affordable region. Why Southeast Asia? The answer is simple. Unparalleled beauty, a welcoming culture, and unbeatable affordability. Countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, and the Philippines offer everything you need for a peaceful, fulfilling retirement. Here you can enjoy luxury for a fraction of the cost back home. The cost of living in Southeast Asia is one of its greatest secrets. Imagine renting a spacious apartment for $500 a month, enjoying world-class meals for under $10, and having access to high-quality healthcare that doesn't break the bank. Your retirement savings can last decades longer here, giving you the financial freedom you've always wanted. Where should you settle? Each country in Southeast Asia offers something unique. Thailand, perfect for beach lovers and those seeking vibrant city life. Vietnam, ideal for history buffs and foodies. Malaysia, known for its modern infrastructure and multicultural lifestyle. Philippines, a paradise for island enthusiasts with a strong expat community. Do your research and find the place that matches your dream lifestyle. Retirement isn't just about saving money, it's about living well. Take the time to immerse yourself in the local culture. Learn the language, try traditional food, and make connections with locals and fellow expats. Southeast Asia offers countless opportunities for adventure, relaxation, and personal growth. Southeast Asia isn't just a destination, it's the key to a happier, more fulfilling retirement. The life you've always dreamed of is waiting for you here, so why wait? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone dreaming of retirement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on turning your retirement dreams into reality. Your next adventure starts now.